Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a chemical solution, right guys?
Yes.
So what we have is a number of different containers. The reason why all this is grungy is because it doesn't really matter today. If you were to do this in an actual lab, right, you would want to clean all this stuff up. You look beautiful, Mr. White. Now,
I got that on camera. Hello.
Alright, so what we're going to try to do is we're going to show you that there are different volumes of containers that you can use to fill the liquid. There are different volumes of beakers that you can use to hold your solution, right? So this one can hold up to 2 liters, this one 1 liter, and then we have some 500 milliliter class. This is our scale. It's precision, so it can do up to 1/10 of a milligram, which is really, really light, okay? So what I want to show you is how do we make a salt solution? So you guys ever gotten sick, right?
Yep.
They tell you to go with salt water?
Yep.
So it helps you with your throat. Right. So this obviously is not the kind of salt water that you want to gargle, especially since it's got like the biodiesel and stuff that I had previous. But the idea of this is just to have an exercise. So tomorrow, when you guys come back, okay, we'll have this lab.
Right there.
Okay.
Oh shit.
So what we have is whey paper. And what I want you guys to go ahead and do, you can pass out a few sheets of this. And just, it's sort of like origami, but not. So this is an origami paper. Here, go ahead and pass these out. Okay?
Tell me one!
Rolling papers! These are not rolling papers, gentlemen. These are whey papers.
That's racist!
Ah shit.
So what we're going to try to do, guys, smoke weed every day. Can you see me, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, sir.
So, listen.
We need one? Give me some more. Can I go one? We need only one, Mr. Long? Hey, man. We need only one, Mr. Long?
Just one for now.
Only one?
You know this on video.
Sorry, it's got my scale here.
What are you doing, Cochran? Cochran, what are you doing?
Texting. Let me say some real stuff real quick.
Alright, so yes, just take one, you can keep it.
Girls,
tomorrow you can throw it away, it doesn't matter. But what we're trying to do here, guys.
Stop! What a salt at?
The salt. No, we're not going to roll up salt. Now you guys got to listen, alright?
Sure, that salt, it ain't no
Excuse me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Mr. Seaton. Hey! Listen. You can keep recording, Mr. Jackson. So this is iodized salt. It is mostly NaCl, but there's parts of iodine. So iodine, as you know, is I.
I love iodine.
Now we are going to assume, gentlemen, that this is still just NaCl, pure NaCl. What you're going to do, if we wanted to make a 1 molar solution of NaCl,
Stop playing so much, boy.
and we know that NaCl weighs exactly 40 grams per mole, we're going to actually do it right here. So Mr. Jackson, let me know if you can see.
No.
Okay, so we're going to swing it to this side.
Very careful, very careful, very careful.
Hey, that's long. This one on your vlog.
Very careful. A little bit more,
Actually, you guys know what? I'm going to make a 100 millimolar solution.
100. Stop playing so much, boy.
Hey, come on, let me go. What are you doing? Get down. Yeah, you know we at right now in the bed, though. Flipping that work over, Miss Long over there, flipping the white over. Waiting them grabs in and out, man. Getting this money, man.
Get your bitch ass back.
Oh, yeah, right now. Come alive from the bed.
Cooking that hard in these suits, man.
Trapping hard in these suits, y'all know he coming, man.
Cooking up some
Remy the mixtape project that's coming.
Hey, shout me out.
Hey, look, shout out JJ.
Shout out JJ.
Follow him on Instagram, YRN__JJ.
They got the little phone.
They don't even matter.
Follow me on Instagram
If you wanna watch-
and
watch
underscore
that.
Route
Excuse
2X.
me.
Blizzy Gang.
Y'all come.
Y'all know.
No, y'all must have this video.
You guys realize this is going to other teachers, right?
Y'all.
I just
So now they got his Instagram. Anyway, so what I did was I weighed 4 grams of NaCl. If I have 4 grams of NaCl, I can actually put it in here.
Look how big and fat.
Last time I posted pictures like
And then, watch this. Let's do that.
Hey, Scott. Make a song.
Okay? Now, when you guys become college students, all right, and you decide I want to work in the lab,
paper bag.
Give my face.
I need that, boy. I need that.
I can move your head.
Y'all stop playing.
I guess we gotta stop, right?
Not at all, Dr. Long. Remember, move your
So
head.
what we're gonna do first is we're gonna mix this so that it dissolves. Okay, this is approximately 4 grams of sodium chloride. Does everybody see?
Stop
I have approximately 4 grams of sodium chloride.
I'll be quiet.
Come alive from the bed, though.
And basically, I'm going to keep pouring water back and forth.
Yeah. You know we at in the bed, though, cooking up the white. Coming live from the bed, though, man. Part 2 coming soon. You looking for us, man. New mixtape coming out, man. You know what I'm saying?
I have nothing to do with this, Mr.
I have nothing to do with this.
I'm swaying it back and forth. What did you do?
You recorded video, though.
I'm an innocent black man trapping for.
Good job, Mr.
You know how the feds be trying to make lies?
Okay, and you're going to keep doing this
For how long?
until we're basically doing, and we were a low budget lab, which we are going to continue.
Wait, why we gotta be low budget?
Because we black.
Oh, okay.
It's not always racist, Mr. Scott.
Yo, he is. He's right there. Okay,
And this is actually a really simple mixing method, right? You're just pouring back and forth. And you guys ever watched old Looney Tunes where scientists mix back and forth?
Oh, with the baby Bugs Bunny and a baby Donald Duck. They were so babies.
Mr. Long.
Alright guys, so now, do we see that all the salt is gone? It's in here? We don't have a 1 molar solution yet.
I got a fart.
No, not now.
Stop playing, you guys.
We actually have 50 milliliters. Now, do you guys know what happens if you add Kool-Aid on top of the amount that you're trying to make? It's going to overfill, right?
Yeah.
If you fill the glass all the way to the top, and then you put in some extra Kool-Aid, it's going to overfill.
Why can't it be lemonade?
Hold on.
Y'all listen.
So,
Can it be lemonade?
because we only have 50 mils, we need to actually fill this to the 100.
Meat Mills.
Don't play with the
Ow,
water.
feel yourself.
But that's even
Oh my God! I did that on accident. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so you notice also that I filled this past 50 mark. We only need 50 left, right?
That's not fair.
This is not 50. That's 7. But we only need 50 more. So what I need you to notice is that if you guys, Mr. White, Mr. Scott, if you look at this, the water kind of curves, right? You want to make sure you use the bottom of the curve, because the bottom of the curve is called a meniscus. It tells you It tells you exactly. So you see how it bends?
Got my foot! That's my foot, boy!
Okay.
That's my good foot, that's my good foot. That's on his feet. My feet.
Where are you? Okay, so you see how it curves up towards the bottom? You now look at the bottom and see which hash mark it hits. So then we're going to fill 50 more. And actually, because you need to be level, we need to make sure it's at 100. It's exactly 100. So the bottom of this curve, gentlemen, the bottom of this curve has to be exactly 100.
Right there.
And that's it. We're good.
That's it, that's all.
We now have a 1 molar sodium chloride solution. And we're good, Mr. Jackson. You can turn that out.
You want to bound under or you want to bound quarterback?
Already.